Well, here at the Indiana State Fair, the Harrison County Cattlemen's Association is working today, at least the first shift. So I'll take you over here. Harrison County Cattlemen's Association, wave, and you'll be on YouTube on my channel eventually.
All right.
So thanks for coming to help.
Appreciate it.
Second shift at the Indiana State Fair ribeye tent. We've got the Indiana Simmental Association. Thumbs up, guys. And we appreciate you showing up and working for us. You can find this video on FF Angus YouTube. Okay, here we are at the final shift of the day on Wednesday, August 2nd, and we have the crew from the Beef Evaluation Center down at Springville, Indiana, not Springville, actually Bedford. So they're here, so let's give a thumbs up for those folks showing up. Happy to be here. Thumbs up, everybody. Okay, the final shift at the Indiana State Fair. We are at almost 8 o'clock. All these late arrivals that said they had trouble parking and complained about walking 2 miles, here they are. So let's give a thumbs up, everybody. Thank you.